Hello and welcome to Big Nim Numismatics. Today I have a cool mail call. I've not been scammed. So I've always wanted something to really pop my coin collection. For those of you who do not know, I have a Roosevelt dime registry set that hopefully will be top 5 in the future. But in the meantime, what's something that can set it apart visually and Matt Borup, for those of you who do not know, he does a lot of the Rattler inserts, so you can put Rattlers in regular PCGS boxes and convert entire boxes to Rattler boxes so they don't shake around and actually fit. But he also started doing custom PCGS lids. This is my registry set name, Fellowship of the Dimes. I'm a big Lord of the Rings fan, so that was great. They cost $20 a piece, which is pretty dandy. A lot of people buy the boxes for like $8 to $20 a piece, depending on what specific kinds. But at a lot of shows, either you can just take them, or like they'll be offered you for free. Don't just steal one. Someone will give you to them after the show, or a lot of times dealers will have a bunch of them left over and you can get them for $2 a piece. That's where I got my green OGH PCGS boxes from, $2 a piece, easy peasy. So figure $22 for a completely custom box. That's pretty dandy. And like I said, Matt Borup also does some other custom things. I'm sure if you had an idea, he can make it work. And you can see how these fit on. Just a regular box. Fits over, and bam. And it's a little bit thicker than your regular lid. So you can see just a tad bit thicker, and that, for me, it works better with the doilies or the second generation with the gasket outside, so they don't bang around. Those are pretty sensitive, and any excess part you can save from being hit is excellent. And also, if you really want, you can put bubble wrap with these and they still fit. So if you're like me and want a custom lid, I have his contact information down in the description. This isn't a paid sponsorship or anything. I just really like the product, really think people would enjoy knowing that they can get a custom one. So, short video today. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if any of you actually order them, and if this helped sway your opinion. Thanks. Bye.